Hello everyone, this is Manya and we are back with yet another episode of Weekend Addaa. Since the next weekend is here and so is our plans. So without a further ado, let's get into the video. The Day of Love surely calls for grooving onto the tunes of love. The Bachata class is happening by Sabor and Salsa Co. So make sure that you go with your partner and groove onto the tunes of love. The details are mentioned below, so grab the hand of your partner and go groove. From Bollywood to all the fitness freaks out there, this form of workout has been going viral like crazy, I tell you people. Pilates, yes, that's what I am talking about. How about working out with your pooches? I know that's a great idea, right? So go work out with your puppies and just be in shape and rock the world. The details are mentioned below and make sure that you do visit and work out. The family who runs together leads a happy and a healthy life. The Family Run Marathon is happening in Sector 24 DLF Cyber City from 5:30 am to 9:30 am and the charges are 700 per person. So what are you waiting for? Even if you can crawl or stroll, make sure that you go and run together. To savor your sweet birds and give yourself a sweet delight, LPP 2020 Dailyaddaa is finally happening, and guess what? This is happening just at a throwaway price of 35 bucks. Take your friends, take your family or whosoever you think is apt for this. Go and eat, splurge into the delicacy. That's all for this weekend. I shall see you another weekend with more such events. Till then, goodbye. And no, wait. You have to like, share and subscribe. Now goodbye.
Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest updates.